Are you ready to unlock the future? Microsoft has just unveiled their latest innovations, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. From groundbreaking AI to tools that redefine productivity, this is your insider look into the latest Microsoft has to offer. Let's dive in. Microsoft's new technologies. First up, Microsoft has introduced an incredible upgrade to their AI-powered tools. Meet Copilot, your new personal assistant, seamlessly integrated into Microsoft 365. Whether it's drafting emails, creating reports, or analyzing data, Copilot transforms how you work, saving hours every week. AI technology has never been this accessible and efficient. Windows updates. Now let's talk about Windows. Microsoft's latest update to Windows 11 has brought some fantastic features. The Start menu is more intuitive than ever, offering personalized recommendations powered by AI. Plus, with improved multitasking capabilities like snap layouts and the enhanced task view, working across multiple apps feels effortless. This isn't just an update, it's a game changer for productivity. Microsoft Teams upgrades. For those of you who rely on Microsoft Teams, there's good news. The latest updates include smarter meeting tools, such as AI-powered real-time transcription and translation. And with the new collaboration features, sharing documents and working with your team is smoother than ever. Microsoft Teams is not just a meeting platform, it's becoming the ultimate collaboration hub. Gaming and cloud innovations. Gaming fans, Microsoft hasn't forgotten you. The Xbox ecosystem now integrates more deeply with cloud gaming. You can stream your favorite games across devices without compromising on performance. And speaking of the cloud, Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform, continues to lead the way in security, scalability, and AI-powered insights. This is cloud innovation at its finest. How it benefits you. So, what does all this mean for you? Whether you're a professional looking to boost productivity, a gamer wanting seamless play, or a business leader aiming to scale your operations, Microsoft's latest updates are designed to make your life easier and more connected. If you've found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest tech trends. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what excites you most about Microsoft's new innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring the latest in tech.